Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw super funny doodle art for Happy New Year. Yes, and trust me, it's so easy that even your pencil will start smiling. Ha ha ha. So, here's a tiny cute story for you while we draw. Okay? On a New Year Eve, a little doodle star, a silly balloon, and Tiny Cupcake were best friends. The star wanted to shine the brightest, the balloon wanted to fly the highest, and the cupcake, well, it just wanted to be eaten. Yes, but when the clock struck 12, they all shouted together, Happy New Year! Happy New Year! And instead of competing, and they decided the real celebration was about staying together and spreading smiles. So today let's bring these funny doodle friends to life with our drawing. Grab your pen, some paper and colors, and let's start this Happy New Year doodle adventure together. Ta-da! There we go. Our funny New Year doodle squad is ready to party. Yes, the star is still shining, the balloon is still floating, and the cupcake is still safe for now. If you like this cute and easy drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, it really makes my doodle dance happily. Tell me in the comment which doodle was your favorite, the silly one, the cute one, or the super funny one. Yes, wish you all a very happy new year full of creativity, smiles, and colorful drawings. See you in the next video, guys. Till then, bye bye. Bye bye.
Grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4. Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.